Did you know one sentence changed the course of Western thought forever? Augustine was living wild in Milan. Wine, women, endless parties. Then, one day in his garden, he heard a child's voice say, "Take and read." He grabbed Paul's letter to the Romans and read one passage about putting on Christ. In that instant, everything changed. The party animal became Christianity's greatest philosopher. But here's what matters for you. Augustine discovered something powerful. Honest self-examination transforms everything. He looked at his life without excuses or justification. That brutal honesty became the foundation of both Western spirituality and modern psychology. Your transformation starts the same way his did, with truth.